keep on watching. Now I'm gonna take a bigger brush so I can set the rest of my face. I'm gonna take this one, and again I'm gonna blend this part out. My setting powder, not too much. Tap off the excess. You don't want a lot. Tap it. And then, oh, the other day I was watching a Kim Kardashian video, and it was so funny. Like, I felt like she was like, you know, more relatable. It was funny because she would grab her product and then she'll be like, and it's just like as a makeup artist, it kind of tells you like, no, don't blow on it because like your bacteria and whatever, but it's her own brushes, so it doesn't really matter. But it was funny to see her doing that, because you would think that her getting her makeup done often by like pro makeup artists, that she would know better, but like, you know, that's just the way of her doing her makeup. So it was kind of cool to see that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to also press it into your skin. You're doing slow tapping motions onto your skin, kind of like more like pressing it into your skin. You don't want to swipe at this point because again your foundation is still wet. So what you want to do is you want to lock in all products that are cream products or liquid products, and then you can go ahead and do your, like, you know, swiping motions and all of that stuff. I know my forehead looks a little, you know, a little bit darker than my actual foundation, but that's okay because I didn't want to put it all over my forehead, because anyways I'm gonna bronze, and when I do my bronzer it's gonna end up bronzy, so there's no point of me covering my forehead in foundation and then bronze it up. Just might as well leave it like that, you know what I mean? So for bronzer, I'm gonna take my Milani bronzer. This one is the Silky Matte in the number 3 Suntan, and this one is by far one of my favorite bronzers ever. I've used the ones from Too Faced. I have this one from NARS that I bought when I went to TJ Maxx, which like you can actually go to TJ Maxx and get products that at an affordable price. Some of my bronzer, and I'm gonna start bronzing my forehead first. So I'm literally just going in there. See, I don't have to do a lot because my skin is already bronzed, so I don't have to do a lot. Right here. Right here. Once I do that, then I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit more. This one's really, really good. I got this one as a recommendation from one of Patrick Starr's videos. He did like a full face using only Milani, and I bought it and I absolutely love it. So I highly recommend it as well. Now I'm gonna do my cheekbone. So what I'm gonna do is you touch your cheekbone here just to see donde está tu huesito. Don't forget the chin area. You want to contour a little bit around the nose area. You want to take a brush that's smaller, something like this. Take bronzer, tap off the excess, and pinch it with your fingers like this. Once you pinch, you can go ahead and look yourself in the mirror and just do it on the sides right there. A little bit. You see that little line? Do it on the other side. Blend it. For blush, I'm also going to be using, this is the Milani. Again, this is very, very affordable, $4 to $5. This is the Dulce Pink number 1. This one is really, really good. I love this one so much. So I'm going to take it on my brush, on the apples of my cheeks. You see how it looks really, really nice. I just love this one, and I love blush. A little bit of my setting powder, just a little bit. I don't usually like to do this because my under eye area is very dry, but since I did my foundation before my eyeshadow, this is why I have to do it.
Take away this part because I don't really want it to like set too long. It's just to kind of clean it up a little bit.
I do my eyeshadow looks. I like to also put a little bit of my bronzer onto my eye area as my transitional shade. I'm just gonna go in with a the fluffiest brush that you have. Take it and then take some of your bronzer and just bronze up your crease area, literally where you feel that little bone area. just put it. No matter what eyeshadow you're gonna put, unless it's like, you know, like colors like pinks or blues or purples, then you want to use, you don't want to use bronzer. But if it's for like kind of like a smoky eye or the warm tones, I recommend to do this because I feel like it just ties everything together. And you can even also blend it in on this area just to blend in the contour of your nose to make it a little bit more slimmer, but just make sure you blend it in very nicely. Like that. It doesn't matter that it looks like that because once like at the end, it's all gonna blend in, so don't even worry about it. Alright, so for my eyeshadow, I'm thinking I want to do this one from Morphe. Morphe is very affordable. You can find it at Ulta, and this one cost me like $10-15. And I haven't used this one. This one I bought it when I went to the when we went to IMATS last year, and I never once used it. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Take this one. I think I'm gonna go in with this one. Why not? I'm gonna put it right over here on this area. First, I'm gonna tap it in to get concentration of color there. Then I can slowly start blending it in. Go back with my same brush. It doesn't even matter that it has the same eyeshadow because I'm gonna blend it in. And I'm gonna start blending it slowly into the crease. Like that. You see I lost a little bit of the color, so now I'm gonna go back with the other one and I'm gonna stamp it again. And then blend again. Take another brush. I'm gonna take just like a little flat one. I want to make it a tiny bit darker, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the black from the palette, just any black eyeshadow, off the excess, and I'm gonna focus it on this little corner right here, not too close to the crease, but more like on the corner, like the inner V. Shadows are really nice. They're so pigmented, and because I put that concealer, like it made it like pop that even. Then I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna go in with a shimmery eyeshadow. I'm gonna take the lightest one from the palette, which would be this one. It's more like a pinkier tone. And spray our setting spray just to make it a little bit more pigmented. Any setting spray that you have, grab the product and it makes it more creamy. This other eye, that does look nice. It's like a pinky tone. To the top, you gotta do to the bottom minus the shimmer.
Going right here.
Take a black pencil. That's the only thing makeup look that is not gonna be drugstore because I don't have one. For my eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with my Liquid Color Pop eyeliner in the color Numero Uno. This one is amazing. This one's like $8. It's one of the best ones. And look at the tip. It's really good so that it can be like that really sharp wing liner.
I did very quickly was to just put my mascara, and then I did this eyelash already.
I like to take my lashes in between my fingers and just kind of like wiggle them like this so that it gives your shape, like the shape like your eye, and then it's easier for it to just like stamp it on. Always push them up.
When you push it up, it makes it look more like, you know, wispy.
When you have eyeshadow look, it kind of like diffuses away like the bronzer and the blush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back again with my bronzer and just bronze my skin up a little more because I like to look bronzy. So bronze up my skin a little more. Highlighter that I'm going to be wearing is a loose highlighter from ColourPop. ColourPop products are, again, super affordable. This one is like $5-6. You can buy it at Ulta, and you can also order on the website. The color that I'm wearing is this is a luster dust highlighter, and the color is No Me. Before I do that, I'm gonna spray my face just to set in all the powders, again with the Morphe one. Far one of the best setting sprays I've ever tried, just because the way that it sprays really nice. It doesn't spray like too like como like, you know what I mean? And sometimes like the setting spray se queda ahí like on your skin. This one sprays sort of like a hairspray kind of thing, and it feels really good on your skin. To take my beauty sponge, since it's still damp, and just kind of dab.
No, that's not how you
Dab. And dab the product into your skin, because what that does is it's locking in the moisture into your skin so that your skin doesn't look like powdery. Cool tip for you guys for free. Still not dry. I'm gonna take my highlighter and highlight my cheekbones like that. Ooh, that's really nice. Yeah, we're almost done. Finally, for the lip, I was thinking I wanted to do a gloss, but I already did that gloss so many times, the one from Milani here on my channel, so I don't think I want to do this one again. Lip liner is from Morphe. Again, super affordable. I got this when I went to IMATS. No lie, it was $3 at IMATS, but in the store would be like $5, and they're super creamy. They're really good. I highly recommend them. Lipstick that I'm gonna do, this is from a brand called Moira, and this one I also got it when we went to Generation Beauty. That brand is super affordable. Like, I swear to you, this was like, I think it was like 3 for $5, and I got this one. This is a Lush matte cream. I would compare this product to something similar to like the NYX Cosmetics. This one, like the soft matte lip cream, the texture and everything is kind of similar to this. So oh, that does look nice once I blend it into the pink. This is in the color Maple Pecan number 13. These kind of have a scent. They have us like a sweet dessert kind of scent, but it's not overpowering. Like, when you wear it, you're not gonna smell it like that. Just one more time, spray myself with the setting spray, you know, for good luck. I'm gonna take my little blender, press it in. I really recommend all the products that I use because they're products that I use all the time, products that I believe in, products that don't even have to be too expensive for you guys to look beautiful. So make sure you guys try the products that I've done here, buy them slowly, and then you'll see that they're amazing. You don't need to spend like so much money on high-end products just to try and look as pretty as me.
Just kidding.
But thank you guys for watching my video. I will see you on the next one.